Let's try that one more time.
Okay. Hi, my name is Tom Bartholomew. I am a foundation specialist for Dalinghaus Construction. Foundation specialist is somebody that's familiar with basically your foundation, which is the core of your home. It's typically from the framing down. My day-to-day starts with getting on the road, dealing with traffic, arriving to a home, introducing myself to the client. The client basically shows me their concerns and I listen to them, and then I go ahead and do my own inspection. The biggest part that we do a floor level survey with a manometer, and that basically tells me the elevations of the home and where the high points are, where the low points are, and where it's sinking and where your issues are going to be. I've been in construction since I was 18 years old. I started off doing everything, tile, electrical, framing, I mean, you name it, I did it. I'm basically a jack of all trades. I ended up becoming a customer service rep for a builder, and then I became assistant superintendent, then a superintendent, and then I went to go work for a general contractor as a project manager. And then from there, I got into the foundation business in 2010. I actually really do enjoy the foundation business. It's something new every day. It gets my mind working. I used to build homes, custom homes. It was the same thing every day. It's only one way to build a house. It was kind of redundant for me. I ended up leaving Dalinghaus a few years back, thinking that the grass is greener on the other side, and it isn't always that way. Brad and Brian are good people. Their core values are good, and I think that they are creating that in their business, which is very important to me. Integrity and honesty are huge for me, and they have it. And this is a very comfortable place. Coming back was not difficult for me at all. I'm not a typical salesman. I'm more of a project manager. So I tell them how it is. This is the problem. This is what it's going to take to get it fixed. The most fulfilling part of my job is seeing a customer happy with what I had proposed to them, the correct fix. I like to work on cars. I like doing projects for my wife. I know that sounds funny. I actually had a '64 Cadillac sedan Seville that I was working on. It's kind of like being in the foundation business, honestly, because it gets my mind going. It's something new. It's a problem solving. So that's just the type of guy I am. It's the way I'm wired. I need to figure out, kind of, don't tell me how it can't be done, tell me how it can be done type of guy. Family means everything to me. It's the core of everything for me. I've been with my wife for 25 years. Our anniversary was yesterday, 19 years married. I have 4 kids, aging from 25 to 10. I have a grandson. Just keeping my family together, tight-knit, is very important to me. I love to cook. I love to clean. I know that's kind of weird, but it is what it is.
Tom's a little domesticated around here.
I'm trying not to sound cocky, more confident. I'm pretty good at a lot of stuff. Winter's coming right now, so I'm gonna be hooking up my chili. I got about 3 or 4 different recipes of chili that I can do. The chili? Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you learned a little bit about me. If you guys have any issues with your foundation, please get in contact with the office and they'll get you in touch with me.